Hello everyone, this is Luti and today I will show you how to play around Nibiru with Rescue S combo. And if you saw my previous video with this one Snake AS, with one Snake AS you can make Head Soul, Masquerade and set 3. And you can do throw with Head Soul, one throw in your turn and one throw in opponent turn, and it's all is from one Snake AS, and I feel like this card is needed in this deck, especially in TCG, because Airlifter is limited, so you need another card in starting hand. So I feel like play 3 Snake AS is mandatory, especially in this combo. And what you do if your opponent have Nibiru, I give you two scenario. First, if you only have one Snake AS, and second, if you have a Preventer in hand, let's say you have Preventer plus Snake AS, you always can play around Nibiru, because the purpose about this deck, this Rescue S, is to summon Turbulence with set 4 is really ridiculous and give you a lot of advantage from one card only. The goal is still same, to summon this Turbulence and set 4. Okay, so let's start. This is the first scenario. Summon Snake AS. Search Populous effect, special itself, and search Snake AS spell. Use Populous for Link Kuriboh, and Populous target itself. Now it's really important to use Snake AS effect right now. You don't need to activate this first, because you need to summon Flamberg as soon as possible. Right here, and make sure to use Flamberg effect right now, and put either S or Populous to your spell trap zone, and now you have something to for Snake AS spell as cost, and now you can summon Heidran. Okay, so if your opponent use Nibiru right now, maybe this scenario is bad guess, because but maybe it happen if you meet like new player or player who don't know how this card work. So let's say your opponent activate Nibiru right now. This is for Nibiru token. Now Flamberg special 2 monster to level 1. Now Heidran, you can search either Turbulence or Airlifter. If you play TCG, you need to search this Turbulence, because Airlifter is limited, and if you play OCG, you can search Airlifter, because Airlifter is semi in OCG. Let's say, yeah, this one maybe. Let's set this one. This is sample for TCG in this one. Now you can use these two, Snake AS plus token, and summon this blocker, and effect discard Turbulence. Next, Heidran plus blocker, summon Promethean, and with Promethean effect summon Turbulence or Airlifter if you search Airlifter instead, and now you can set 4. This is also different between OCG and TCG. If you play OCG, it's really important to set this 4 contain X X-Twins, and rescue. This one emergency. I mean, if you play OCC, you need to set this for, or if you search airlifter instead of turbulence and you use emergency to summon turbulence, you need to set this for instead. Reinforce, contain, X-Twins, and rescue. But if you play TCC, you can set this for emergency, contain, X-Twins, and rescue. Because it's really important to summon airlifter in opponent turn. Let's say in opponent turn you can use this emergency to summon airlifter, and then with airlifter you can search HQ for your deck, and next turn you can cycling back your rescue S card to your deck, and you can set it again with turbulence. So it's really important to keep cycling your resources. So it will end like this, and you don't need to use Promethean plus turbulence for link material. You can end up like this actually, but if you want to use this for material, you can summon Angel Sunlight Wolf or Veil. But if you do that, this emergency is mostly dead, so that's why you can just end up like this. And in opponent turn emergency, you can either summon airlifter if your opponent don't have much card that resolve, or you can interrupt your opponent play with this preventer in opponent turn like this. But of course, before you activate this, you need to activate rescue to cycling your Hydran Force like this, and you can destroy your opponent Nibiru with this X-Twins, or and you can stop opponent maybe Snake Eyes with this content. And if you need interruption, you can summon preventer and tribute this one, or you can tribute this one instead. Yeah, it depends with the situation is, but if your opponent don't have something to make a big play, you can summon airlifter instead. And with airlifter you can search HQ. So this is the first scenario, and depend with the situation is, you can activate something you want. Okay, next. Okay, second scenario, you need to have Snake AS plus preventer, and it's really important to always keep preventer in your hand. And yeah, let's say your opponent will wait until your Flamberg is resolved. That's first scenario. It's not doing well, and you will end up with a Nibiru token. But I think it's fine because it's 1-for-1 situation. You only lose one card, and your opponent is only lose one card too. But with this starting hand, it's guarantee you to get turbulence on the field. Okay, so let's start with Snake AS, search Populus, special itself, search this spell, and use Populus to summon Link Kuriboh, and put Populus itself, and activate S, summon Flamberg, and activate Flamberg, and use Snake spell, then summon Hydran. From here, I'm sure your opponent will wait until you activate this Flamberg effect in grave, because if if they don't, you will end up like the first scenario. And activate, you can enter a search of this. And next, you can use this too, Flamebug plus Linkuripo and summon blocker, and chain 1 Flamebug, chain 2 blocker. This is also important to make Flamebug is chain link 1 and chain link 2 is blocker its top opponent and try to negate this Flamebug with Ghost Bell maybe. And now you can summon this. And next, use blocker plus Populus, summon Promethean. Okay, now I'm sure your opponent will Nibiru right now. If not, you will get Turbulence. And if they wait until you summon Turbulence and activate Nibiru in hand, you will get Nibiru token with high defense. So between he wait until you use Promethean or they drop Nibiru right now, it's still same case. Okay, so let's say you already use Promethean and your opponent thinking that you have second Promethean in your extra deck. They will wait until you activate Promethean and activate Nibiru right now. You have a token right here, but because you have this Preventer, you can summon Preventer, banishing Turbulence. And you can use these two, token plus Preventer, and summon Mass. And Preventer summoning Turbulence. And now with Turbulence you can set 4. Once again, it depends with your pen list is, but this 3 is mandatory, and this Ender 2 it's depend with depend with your situation is. Let's say if you already played Emergency, you can set Reinforce or Underguard instead. But if you still not use Emergency, you can set Emergency like this. And in opponent turn, you can activate Rescue, summon Hydran, and now you can have X-Twins to destroy opponent card. Let's say you can destroy opponent this Nip content to negate opponent maybe No Fox, Snake AS or something else. And if this card is not enough, you can use Emergency to summon Preventer. Preventer and Book of Moon opponent card, opponent monster. And if this card is still not enough, you can use some Mass to summon SP. And if this card is still not enough, you have Promethean on the in grave and destroy your own fire and opponent monster. So that's two scenario, but the second scenario is give you Turbulence on the field, because the idea is to banish your Turbulence or Airlifter and use token plus Preventer to summon Mass or underling monster. You have under choice like Phoenix or Hita, but with Mass you can have another interruption in opponent turn. So I hope this helped. And if you have any question, you can comment below, and see you on the next one.